personal wealth roadmap. Generic financial advice fails because your situation is unique. What works for a 25-year-old single entrepreneur won't work for a 45-year-old parent with a mortgage. That's why we're building your personal wealth roadmap. Today, a step-by-step plan tailored exactly to where you are right now. Research shows people with written plans are 3 times more likely to achieve financial success. Let's create yours. Step 1. Assess your starting point. Grab a notebook and answer these questions. How much do you have in savings right now? What's your current monthly take-home pay? List all your debts with their interest rates. What assets do you own that could generate income? Be brutally honest. Most people overestimate their savings and underestimate their spending. This clarity is your foundation. Step 2. Identify your financial personality. Are you a natural saver who needs to focus on earning? A big earner who struggles with managing money? Or maybe you're stuck in analysis paralysis, endlessly researching but never acting. There's no judgment, just awareness. Your roadmap must align with your personality. For example, forced frugality won't work for spenders, and complex investing can overwhelm beginners. Step 3. Set your first milestone. If you're starting from zero, aim for $1,000 in emergency cash. If you already have savings, target replacing 10% of your income with side hustles. For those with established businesses, focus on systemizing operations. Choose a milestone that feels challenging but achievable within 3 to 6 months. Small wins build confidence for bigger goals. Step 4. Choose your wealth-building vehicle. Your choice depends on your current resources and risk tolerance. If you have little capital but time, focus on service-based side hustles. With some savings, consider local real estate investing. If you have marketable skills, digital products offer scalability. There's no best option, only what fits your situation. Step 5. Build your income multiplication plan. List 3 ways you could realistically earn an extra $500 per month within 90 days. For example, freelancing, tutoring, or flipping items. Then, identify 2 longer-term streams to develop over the next year, like rental income or an online course. Multiple streams protect you and create compounding growth. Step 6. Create your debt strategy. Not all debt is equal. List your debts by interest rate. Prioritize paying off anything over 7%. Lower interest debts might be strategically kept while you invest elsewhere. For high-interest credit cards, the avalanche method, paying the highest rates first, saves the most money. Step 7. Implement basic tax optimization. If you're employed, max out your 401k match. Open a Roth IRA if eligible. Freelancers should set up a separate business account and track every deductible expense. These small steps can save thousands annually with minimal effort. Start now, don't wait until tax season. Step 8. Schedule weekly money dates. Set aside 30 minutes each week to review your finances, track progress, and adjust your plan. Treat it like a critical business meeting, because it is. This habit separates those who achieve financial goals from those who just dream about them. Step 9. Build your learning curriculum. Identify 3 skills that would most boost your earning potential. For example, copywriting, basic accounting, or sales. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to developing these skills. The wealthy invest in education. It's how they spot opportunities others miss. Step 10. Create your protection plan. If you have dependents, term life insurance is essential. Renters should have liability coverage. Everyone needs a basic will, which you can create online for under $100. These steps prevent financial disasters that could wipe out years of progress. Step 11. Automate your investments. Calculate your target monthly investment amount. Start with whatever you can consistently set aside, even $50 per month matters. Automate this transfer to happen right after payday. Out of sight, out of mind. This builds wealth without relying on willpower. Step 12. Plan for lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, decide in advance what percentage you'll allocate to lifestyle upgrades versus reinvestment. A 50-50 split is reasonable. Half for enjoyment, half for building more wealth. Without this plan, lifestyle creep can eat all your progress. Step 13. Build your network. Connect with 3 people this month who are where you want to be financially. Most wealthy people gladly share advice if asked respectfully. These relationships provide mentorship, opportunities, and crucial mindset shifts. Step 14. Set your review schedule. Mark your calendar for a full financial review every 90 days. Assess what's working, what's not, and adjust accordingly. Your roadmap isn't set in stone, it evolves as you grow. Regular reviews keep you on track. Step 15. Define your why. Write down your core reason for building wealth. Is it family security? Career freedom? Early retirement? When challenges come, this purpose will keep you going. Tape it somewhere you'll see it daily. Now, break everything into 90-day sprints. What exactly will you accomplish this quarter? Maybe it's launching your first income stream, paying off a credit card, or saving your first $5,000. Concrete short-term goals create momentum for long-term success. The old money rules don't work anymore. Saving pennies, relying on 401ks, fearing debt, that playbook is outdated. Now you have the strategies to build real wealth. The average millionaire takes 12 years to hit their first million. Not overnight, not by luck, but through consistent action on the right principles. Your clock starts today. What's your first move? Drop your strategy in the comments. Freelancing, real estate, side hustles. Writing it down makes it real. Let's see those commitments.